Here, we're going to move to the second round. I'm gonna using a premium Iho Chan for foil. If you are loving the foil pattern, loving the foil designs, and your foils is not going to really like working cooperate with you because it's not going to transfer properly, this bestie will get you and back you up every single time. Ooh, this one is so shiny. I don't see the line, but I'm gonna draw it like a French look. Because it's short nails, you can do a short nails, long nail, however you would like. And it doesn't have to be really like a perfect because we're going to do some crystal on it, okay? Alright, so I'm going to make sure I'm getting like a French looks right here. And then we're going to give it a key for like 30 seconds. So this is a blushing rose from a Disco Flash Gel collection. I did 2 coats of this already. This one is so gorgeous. Let me see if I can show it closer. Looks so good in person though. It looks like you like wash out because it's so sparkle. But when you see like this one, if you look at this, it's so like wash out. But I see in person of myself wearing it. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. Gotta see it in person. So we're gonna do it double secure using a precision glue gels after we're done with this. But watch my second one. It's gonna be like super easiest on earth. And it's hard to pick which one. Like this one, randomly. Like maybe this here. You can do it randomly. It doesn't have to be this. Maybe here. This is not gonna go in the. Okay, I'm gonna place wherever. And whatever it's gonna stick on, it's gonna stick on. Because this nails is shorter, so you might get a little bit of the I might not get the eggs, but then you can do another layer and then have the eggs on it, or you can put the sticker from the Easter. So give it a good rub. It's only transfer to where I apply my transfer foil. Sometimes it had a bubble, so then make sure you don't like rip it so fast, because the bubble, you can definitely lay it back up and give it a good pressure then to push all the bubble out. So then this will transfer your transfer foil image. It's beautiful. Looks not bad on the really sparkle surface. I'm in the background. Transfers pretty much everything. And so now you have an option. You can do like is the French look, drawing a French right here, or you can do is the crystal along with the French smile line. So either one works great. What do you want to see? The crystal around and then crystal on the top?
You definitely want a big centerpiece in the middle.
Huh? So then you
just some really
you want
nice fancy color around it. Probably some neon.
What neon? The
neon
color?
Yep. So you have one big piece in the middle and neon around.
Oh, you mean the smile line? What do you mean?
You got one big centerpiece in the middle of the nails.
And then you want the smile line too?
Some smile line, why not?
Why don't you do it for us?
You will see it eventually.
I can't wait to video you. All right, so first step, I'll give you a hard time. Heel, you be ready.
Yep. Meanwhile, YouTube asks you how long the nail will last.
How long the nails will last?
More like just
How long the crystal lasts, or how long the transfer foil lasts, or?
So I would say that if you take care of it, it will last for a pretty good while until you have your nail grow long enough that you have to do a fill or a new set. But yes, we have people that can last up to like 8 weeks before. Sometimes go really wild. But yeah, regularly you should change or update your nails every 3 to 4 weeks.
I mean the colors or the crystals?
Well, Jessie says it's very general. So I guess that is the most general you can answer.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, that frame popped right out.
Oh, look at that! What I found on my
See? Oh, that's pop.
Just unleash your potential, do whatever you want. Oh, nice. I like it. Someone getting is from my crystal kits, the glow-in-the-darks. I'm just hunting down with all different cool ideas right here. Short nails, you can still have fun. So I got the centerpiece, which is this cute drop right here. And I'm gonna work around adding some crystal around. I'm using the frame from my Easter mix bag. How do you like it so far?
I say money.
Yeah. And then you can add some beads on it.
So right now we're just adding more gold bead, and you have the big golden frame at the bottom, and she's gonna decorate it more. If you know Nancy, you will always see a bling out nails.
It's funny is I feel like naked when my hand it's just only 2 nails, but then I'm really enjoying with the disco flash gel. The news is formulas. It looks so sparkle even without flashlights. That is cool thing about it. It doesn't look dull at all. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna really enjoying it for at least a few more days for these gels before I'm like bling it all out. But I do like this one though. It's really cool though.
Yep, we just gotta take a quick opportunity to just remind you guys about our anniversary sale. There's only another few days left of the sale, so you want to get something for up to 80% off, definitely head over there now. And things are also selling out, so if you want to make sure you get what you need, make sure to visit our website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com.
And then you get also receiving yours $100 Glitz gift cards during a sale event. What day today? Today is the 24th. So few more days, everyone, before the sales is over. It's a great celebration for another years, and thanks to all Glitz babe. You're amazing. I think I like it a lot. I think this is so cool. All right, French and a lot of crystals. It looks like a lot, but it's not a lot. It's great for the short nails, and I'm really enjoying it. Ooh, so cool. Gets a lot in lemon. I think it's under the Instagram. It looks really like you can't see it, but you have to see this one in person. It's so freaking cool.